For viewers, my name is Rafi Yakub from Excel Graphics and Multimedia. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can make a simple letter E logo using CorelDRAW. If you are watching my video for the first time on YouTube, please remember to hit the subscribe button for more interesting videos in CorelDRAW. So let's get the tutorial started. First, I'll go to my toolbar and select my circle. And I'll come to the Corel work area to make my perfect circle. Then I'll press P to centralize. Now come to the edge of the circle at this point and press Shift key and drag in. I'll place with my right click. Good. And I'll press Ctrl D 2 times to make a duplicate. Now I can zoom it. And I need a rectangle now. Now make a perfect rectangle midpoint. And I can press P to centralize the rectangle. And I need another rectangle. Okay. So you can zoom out the entire document. So I need this one here. Need to snap to the shape here. Good. So I can go back to my zoom tool. Right. So I can select my smart features now from this point here. Now I can fill the shape with my features. And I can select this and press Shift key on my keyboard. We'll select this again. We'll select this. Select this. And I'll wait from my menu bar. Control Z. Shift key. Edit. Good. And I can press Shift key again. Select the top and choose wedge. Good. Then Shift key again, select the bottom, wedge. Good. Then Shift key again, select this. Then wedge. Shift key again, select the bottom, wedge. Good. Finally, you can drag out all the shape. Shift key again and select wedge. Then you can right click on this and delete. And drag out the shape to one side. And I can select all these. I can select all these. And I press delete on my keyboard. I can select my shape logo now and press P on my keyboard. Then I can go to my color palette and right click on this icon to remove the stroke. Finally, I can apply color to what I'm going to do is to come to the interactive field here, then select from the property. Now I can apply the color. Orange. And I'm going to select red orange. Go. So this is how you make a custom letter e-logo in CorelDRAW. If you enjoyed this video, please click like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more interesting video in CorelDRAW. Thank you for watching from the beginning to the end. See you soon. Bye.